Hello, this is a Spitfire. And this is from my origami gallery. Okay, so first you need a square piece of paper. You fold it in half. Then you fold it in half again. Then you open this pocket and fold that down. Then you turn it around, fold this to the other side, and open this pocket and fold that down. Now there's 4 flips here. You bring the flip to the middle, open this pocket, and fold that down. Do that all to all 4 sides. Now bring it to the middle, then fold this down. Open the pocket and fold it down. Then you open this pocket and fold this down. Then you open this pocket and fold this down. Okay, now you bring the bottom to the center line. Turn it over, bring the bottom to the center line. Open one of the side up, put the bottom to the center line. Then open the other side up, put the bottom, fold the bottom to the center line. Now you unfold it, then you bring this up. And bring it back down. You unfold it, bring it up, and bring it back down. Unfold it, bring it up, and bring it back down. Then you unfold it, bring it up, then you bring it back down. Now you grab one of the flip, then pull it up so that 2 triangles get flattened. Then you bring this down. Like this. So it will look something like this. Now, where the triangle points down. Bring this whole thing over. The whole triangle. Then you get one to flip. The first flip. Then you match